Welcome back to another video. I have my drill press and a couple other things to show off. First I need to clean this table off. I'll be right back. Let's start with some of the smaller things I got. For Christmas, I got two of these large nose cones. What else? I got this scale, digital one, for a project because I need to see how much thrust something can produce. Instead of wasting a bunch of engines on different size stuff, just got a scale to test it. Got a drill press, it's an 8-inch Win drill press. It's not that expensive. I think it's a 2021 model. It was $102, I believe. The person I ordered it from kept they kept raising it up and then lowering it, so I don't know what that was about. But yeah, it wasn't that expensive. They had other ones that were the exact same one for like $300. If I can, I'll put it like a link so you guys can look at it and see if you want it. And then I got some smaller stuff. I'll show you that right now. Okay, so I got two tripods. Okay. Got two new tripods. Both black. They come with a little remote to take pictures. I'm not sponsored. I just needed some more tripods because the one I got now isn't cutting it for all the stuff I want to film. So yeah, I got two tripods. That's the name. But yeah, I will assemble them and show you. There it is. I'm not sure what this little thing is for. I'll figure that out. Yeah, it comes with a little remote, both of them do, to take pictures or videos. Yeah, the legs, they bend. So that'd be a nice thing. I got another one right there. And then I got some more pegboard stuff. I'll show you that right now. Okay. So here's the hooks. Some buckets. And then stuff for screwdrivers. That's a little rubber tacks. And then instructions. Yeah. It's like 140, I think, pieces. So, yeah. Anything. I got two cameras set up now, so you might be able to see. Let's just go. Instructions. Parts. More parts. I will assemble it in this video, so you don't need to wait for a next video. Just take everything out of the box. I've already opened it up, so I know what's in here. It's just I didn't take it all there. I'm not sure if you guys can even see any of this, but if you can, I'll keep it in the video. If not, honestly, I'll just see all out. That should... Okay. So. Here's the main part of the drill press. 5-speed. Let's assemble it. here's the main part of the drill press, 5-speed. Let's assemble it. As you can see, it's done. For some reason, that hangs a little low. It's a little crooked too, but she's done. I don't know if I can tighten this, because this spins a lot, and it's... I need to read the manual. But yeah, that's done. I'm going to put some pegboard stuff up and then call it a day. I'll see you back in a minute. As you can see, it's done. For some reason, that hangs a little low. It's a little crooked too, but she's done. I don't know if I can tighten this, because this spins a lot, and it's... I need to read the manual. But yeah, that's done. I'm going to put some pegboard stuff up and then call it a day. I'll see you back in a minute. Okay, I got some of the pegboard, some of the new pegboard up. This is a nice. Sorry about that. I can't get it off right now. Oh. Next time I film, I'll make sure that's on. I got some pegboard over here too, but I got still buckets. I might move some over here. I don't know what else to say, really. I might do a couple drill tests on this puppy today. It's nice, it's got a little lock you just pull out and then it doesn't turn on. If it had power, I don't have it hooked up yet. It's nice, it's like spring loaded, so we let go and it just automatically goes in. Don't know what else I can say. It's a nice little thing. It's probably more of a beginner's tool. I've never had one. I don't think I've ever used one, but it's like a drill. So yeah, it looks like it should work pretty well. This doesn't tighten very much. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or what, but it doesn't tighten very much. This came with the tripod. I'm using that tripod right now. Scale, I don't really need to show because it's a scale. Pretty sure everyone knows what a scale looks like. But yes. It's a nice drill press. Got a little holder for your chuck thing. I will do probably a couple drill tests on some future engine mounts. But yes, I know what you're asking. What are those nose cones for. I'm not sure. They could go inside of this. What else? Maybe into that. But right now, I don't really have any plans for them. I just asked for them, and I got them. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in another video. Thank you. Like and subscribe.